All right, let's go through the would you rather slides very quickly. I think there's not a ton of these, 6. And if you look, this is an extremely similar assignment that we had on Tuesday. And that assignment was the this or that. And you had two choices, and you had to pick this or you had to pick that. And then you had to explain why. And would you rather is pretty much the same thing. Instead of do you want this or do you want that, would you rather be a remora and hang with sharks? Or would you rather be a tick bird and hang with giraffes? And again, typically there's no correct answer on any of these. This is personal opinion. But there is one little thing on here that's a little bit different. And you'll notice the insert the photo here. You will pretty much have to take 1 or 2 photos, depending on how many things you answer. And you'll have to access your camera. Now, to do that, down the bottom left-hand corner where it says search on your Chromebooks, you can search. And if you know how to find the camera, then do it. So I'm just going to search for the camera on mine. There's the camera app. And I'm not too sure if you can see this on my screen. I've never recorded like this before. Hopefully you can. So when you're doing would you rather and you do it in Snapchat, you either point up or you point down. And that's all you really have to do. So let's just say, I'm trying to think, do I want to be a remora? Do I want to be a giraffe? I'm going to go up. I might even look up when I take the picture. So I take the picture. There's me pointing up, silly face and all, right? I'm going to hit close this. Now, insert the photo here. So you saw me take the picture with the camera and it says to insert the photo here. So you want to come up to here to where it says insert. You want to insert your image. Upload from the computer. Now yours, very possible, could save to your Google Drive. I know that mine does not do that, and it's going to upload from the computer. So I'm going to upload from the computer. I know where I kept mine because I kept it on the desktop, and I hit open. And look, it inserts a picture of me pointing up. Now, just like the last assignment, you have to tell me why. You have to tell me why. Well, I mean, and again, this doesn't have to be some profound thing. Why did I choose to hang with sharks instead of giraffes? I like sharks better. And in my opinion, fish taste better than ticks. How do you know that, Mr. Bullen? Have you eaten a tick before? No. But I have had blood sausage, and I'd imagine that ticks are full of blood, and they probably taste about the same, just iron-like, and I don't want to taste that. It's gross. I don't like chicken livers either. Probably would taste what a tick would taste like. And again, I'm done. This is not some massive assignment. Okay, now, do I want to adapt to live in the desert or adapt to live in the Arctic? I would take my picture again if I wanted to point down at the Arctic or if I wanted to point up at the desert. You know, if you've been in my classroom at all, Mr. Bullens is not pointing up on this one, right? I do not like to be hot at all. So I would take another picture of me pointing down. You can use the same picture over and over. It doesn't have to be a new picture every time. That's fine. My big thing is you're telling me why down here. What is your why? You can't tell me why you would want to live in the desert or adapt to live in the desert if you don't know the definition of adapt. It's just facts. So you're going over some of your vocabulary and doing that, and we're doing those type of things. I hope this helps. I hope this video makes some sense. Again, we will have some review videos as well to go over some of those vocabulary terms, and we will have our quiz on Friday. All right, guys, we'll see you later. Thanks a lot. Bye.